Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best circular saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Unirvana 11-amp corded circular saw. This budget-friendly option is equipped with a robust 11-amp copper motor that delivers an impressive 6,000 RPM. What stands out here is its versatility. It can tackle wood, plastic, and even thin metal panels, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable all-rounder. The adjustable depth lever lets you achieve a maximum cutting depth of 62 millimeters at 90 degrees and 46 millimeters at 45 degrees, while the bevel tilt function provides flexibility for angled cuts. In terms of design, the Unirvana features a compact, lightweight frame with a rubberized grip for added comfort during extended use. The integrated dust blower keeps your cutting line clear, which is a thoughtful addition for precision work. However, the plastic safety guard feels a bit less durable compared to higher-end models. Performance-wise, it's hard to beat the Unirvana for the price. While it's perfect for light to medium-duty tasks, it might struggle with more demanding applications. The dual insurance safety switch is a nice touch for preventing accidental startups, but professionals might find its lack of premium features limiting. Overall, if you're on a tight budget and need a reliable saw for occasional home projects, this is a solid pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Skil 5080-01 13-amp circular saw. This is another fantastic budget option, offering a lightweight design that reduces user fatigue without compromising performance. Powered by a 13-amp motor, this saw delivers solid cutting capabilities for basic wood-cutting tasks. With a bevel capacity of 51 degrees and positive stops, you can easily make angled cuts for simple DIY projects or home repairs. The saw's design prioritizes ease of use, featuring a spindle lock for quick blade changes and an improved dust blower to maintain a clear view of your cutting line. While the overall build quality is decent for the price, the plastic components feel less durable compared to premium models. It's definitely meant for lighter workloads rather than heavy-duty construction. In terms of value, the Skil 5080-01 is a great choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into woodworking or small-scale carpentry without breaking the bank. However, its lower motor power and lack of advanced features make it less suitable for professional use. If affordability and simplicity are your top priorities, this saw will serve you well. At number 3, we have the Skil 5280-01 15-amp circular saw with single-beam laser guide. This model steps up the game with a powerful 15-amp motor capable of 5,300 RPM, making it ideal for faster and more precise cuts. The inclusion of a single-beam laser guide is a standout feature, ensuring accuracy for straight-line cuts, perfect for projects that demand precision. The design is thoughtfully engineered, featuring a spindle lock for easy blade changes and a dust blower to keep your cutting line unobstructed. With a 51-degree bevel capacity and positive stops at 45 degrees, this saw offers versatility for a variety of cuts. The safety lock and guarded trigger add an extra layer of protection during operation, which is always appreciated. Performance-wise, this saw delivers exceptional value for its price point, handling medium-duty tasks with ease. However, it's worth noting that while the laser guide is helpful, it may not always align perfectly, requiring some manual adjustments. If you're looking for a reliable saw with added precision features at an affordable price, the Skil 5280-01 is a fantastic mid-range option. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the DeWalt DWE575 7¼ circular saw. This premium option is one of the lightest in its class, weighing only 8.8 pounds, which makes it easy to handle while maintaining top-tier performance. Powered by a 15-amp motor, It delivers consistent power for even the toughest applications, whether you're working on heavy-duty construction or detailed carpentry. The saw features a bevel capacity of 53 degrees, with stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, offering unmatched flexibility for angled cuts. Its 2 and 9/16-inch depth of cut capacity is versatile enough for a variety of materials, and the anti-snag ball-bearing lower guard ensures smooth operation even in harsh environments. The integrated dust blower keeps your line of sight clear, while onboard blade wrench storage adds convenience. What sets the DWE575 apart is its durability and precision. It's built with a high-grade aluminum base for accurate cuts and a tough poured for added longevity. While it's the priciest option on this list, its reliability and performance make it the go-to choice for professionals and serious DIYers. If you're looking for a circular saw that combines power, durability, and advanced features, the DWE575 is the ultimate pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.